Hey, what's up, Stellar XLM coin holder? So what's going on this time, my friends? The Stellar XLM price will pumps up. That's really great news, my friend, for all of you. To Stellar XLM price will starting increasing. You can see a 3.37%. The Stellar XLM price is pumps up. So I think it's not a temporary pump. It's really huge pump, my friend. And everybody try to understand. To after a short jump, absolutely every coin will dumps down. So after a dump, absolutely they will take a jump. So therefore, I will notify you, my all Stellar XLM holder, to kindly this does not mean to you are starting selling. A lot of holders are doing very huge mistake to when they will see, my friend, the short term, absolutely they will urgently starting selling because they are very afraid, my friends, to we are going to lose. So don't worry, my friends, this is 100% risky work, my friend. If you invest in crypto and if you starting trading, absolutely you are take a first price. But don't worry, my friend, don't worry. It's really simple. It's really easy. Take it easy, my friends. Don't afraid. Remember, my brothers, and every time you will get a profit. But if you are just an only focus and be active, so kindly holders don't starting selling in this time because your Stellar XLM is temporary take a fails down. But don't worry, this time you can see the total average is gone positive, but in last 3 days they were fails down. You can see here. So that last 3 days average is going very bad because this time also they will pumps up, but after that they will also take a very bad dump. So therefore you can see here the total average is come to negative. But don't worry, my friends, I am 100% sure to just in only in one day they will again recover this all loss and they will get a profit. So for that you will need to hold and wait for the end of month. I am 100% sure to in upcoming times Stellar XLM price will be increasing and they will give you a profit. So thanks for watching. Holder, kindly like video and don't forget to subscribe this channel. I hope, my friends, in upcoming times Stellar XLM will give you a double to triple profit. So don't miss this chance. Take risk and get a profit. Allah Hafiz, take care.